I wasn't thinking about a lawyer because I thought, I have insurance. I'm okay. I was more worried about my job. And then I got paperwork from my insurance company, and I thought it was a bit odd. They wanted me to sign it. And I called them and said, well, why? Well, just to prove that you got the check for the car. And I thought, but you've got the canceled check. Why do you need this? So the little lights went on back in my head, and I said, I think I need a lawyer. It happened very fast. I was parked at a stop sign. I was rear-ended. And I rapidly went from being physically capable to take people on an adventure trip to being disabled and having a hip brace, from hip to ankle brace, full brace. The lady who walked my dogs for me, because I couldn't walk them, said, I was in an accident. I have a lawyer that I really trust. He's not going to be someone who's going to be real slick, just a normal, decent guy. I think you should contact him. And that was Kevin Lonergan at Herrling Clark. I was afraid of not being able to work, the bills, feeling that my insurance company wasn't there for me, so I was full of fear. So that first phone call to the office, I was worried that maybe they wouldn't even take the case. Maybe they wouldn't think it was big enough for them. But I immediately had my fears taken care of when they called me back and said, we'll take care of you. We will handle this. And everything was done by them coming to the house and phoning me. So I didn't have to worry about trying to call someone to drive me, and someone who had a car that could accommodate me with my full brace that couldn't, bend. And so everything was done very personally. When I first approached them, they explained to me, this is what you're going to go through. This is what it's like. These are the things that you're going to have to face, and we're going to help you to face them. And everything else, we're going to take off your shoulders. Don't worry about it. And to find a lawyer that's an actual human being, an entire law firm that operates like a group of human beings, you don't expect it. You will be surprised. Those ads that you see where everyone's saying, hey, I called this office and now I'm a millionaire, it feels like a soap opera. It doesn't seem to ring true to me. I know now, having gone through the procedure, that it's a lengthy procedure and there's a great deal of red tape. You need someone professional to fight for you, and it's not like buying a lottery ticket. I wanted someone who was more direct, more honest, maybe didn't promise me the world, but I knew that they would deliver what they promised. Because I know what they did for my friend who recommended them to me, and I know what they did for me. So I know that they do this for everyone. I would highly recommend them.